Hey guys, in this part we talk about tuples in Python, part 1. Tuples are used to store multiple items in a single variable. A tuple is a collection which is ordered and unchangeable. Tuples are written with round brackets. So for example, create a tuple, my tuple, and equal to this apple, banana, and cherry. Print the tuple, save and run, and we have tuples. And allow duplicates. Since tuples are indexed, they can have items with the same value. For example, we have another apple and another cherry. Save and run, and we have 2 apples and 2 cherries. And access tuple items. You can access tuple items by referring to the index number inside the square brackets. So for example, print my tuple and index 1. Save, and we should have banana. We have banana. And negative indexing. In negative indexing means a start from the end. -1 refers to the last item and -2 refers to the second item, and etc. So -1, save, and we should have cherry and cherry. And range of indexes. You can specify a range of indexes by specifying where to start and where to end the range. When specifying a range, the return value will be a new tuple with the specified items. So I remove these and add kiwi, orange, and melon and mango, and print my tuple 2 to 5. Save, and we should have cherry to orange. Save and run, cherry, kiwi, and orange. And by leaving out the start value, the range will start at the first item. Leave a start value, and we have these fruits. And by leaving out the end value, the range will go on to the end of the list. So 2 to the end. So we should have cherry to end, run, and cherry to mango. And range of negative indexes. Specify negative indexes if you want to start the search from the end of the tuple. So -4 to -1. -4 is -1, -2, -3, -4, and this is -1. We should have kiwi to melon. Save and run. We have kiwi, orange, and melon. And check if item exists. To determine if a specified item is present in a tuple, use the in keyword. So print apple in my tuple and save, and you should have true. And tuples are unchangeable, meaning that you cannot change, add, or remove items once the tuple is created. But there are some workarounds. Change tuple values. Once the tuple is created, you cannot change its values. Tuples are unchangeable or immutable, as it also is called. But there is a workaround. You can convert the tuple into a list, change the list, and convert the list back into a tuple. So for example, we have my tuple and my list equal to convert to the list my tuple and list my list index 1 equal to kiwi and my tuple equal to tuple convert to tuple my list. Sorry, my list, and print my list. Save and my tuple. Save and run. And we have my list one is kiwi, my tuple is this, and print my tuples. Yeah, apple, kiwi, cherry, and I'm sorry. And add items. Since tuples are immutable, they don't have a built-in append method. But there are other ways to add items to a tuple. 1. Convert into a list. Just like the workaround for changing a tuple, you can convert it into a list. Add your items and convert it back into a tuple. So, we have tuple and my list is convert list my tuple and remove this, and my list dot append orange, and I remove the orange in here and save and run, and we have orange in the last. And add tuple to a tuple. You are allowed to add tuples to tuples. So if you want to add one item or many, create a new tuple with the items and add it to the existing tuple. So comment these lines and create a tuple. My tuple 2 equal to orange, and my tuple 1 plus equal to my tuple 2, and run, and we have orange in the last. And when creating a tuple with only one item, remember to include a comma after the item, otherwise it will not be identified as a tuple. And remove items. You cannot remove items in a tuple. Tuples are unchangeable, so you can't remove items from it, but you can use the same workaround as we use for changing and adding tuple items. So comment and my list equal to, we have this, and my list dot remove, for example, apple, and please save and run, and we don't have apple in the result. And or you can delete the tuple completely. So comment and comment, and we can use del function and delete my tuple and save, and this will raise an error because the tuple no longer exists. Run, and we have an error.